Hi everyone, welcome to the third video of graphing quadratics. We are going to find the x-intercepts now of a quadratic or a parabola. So first thing I want to do is change it from standard form, which is right up here, to factored form. So I've already had my diamond in my box. Now I'm going to just fill in what I need to fill in. So two terms that multiply to be negative 8x squared but add to be negative 2. So that should be negative 4x and 2x. Negative 4x times 2x is negative 8x squared, and negative 4x plus 2x is negative 2. So I'm going to put my terms into here. Now I'm going to factor it. I'm going to get the outside. So GCF right here is going to be x. X times x is x squared, x times negative 4, and x times 2. So now I'm going to put it in factored form. So I have x minus 4 times x plus 2. And now I'm going to set that y equal to 0 and use the zero product property. So I have x minus 4 is equal to 0, and I have x plus 2 is equal to 0. So I'm going to add 4 right here. So I have my x is equal to 4. And then I'm going to subtract 2. So now I have x is equal to negative 2. So when we graph a parabola, we need to solve for each equation for x, which we did. And then we're going to write it as an ordered pair. So my x-intercepts are 4, 0. And negative 2, 0. And there you go.